Hi, I'm David Abraham, your email marketing specialist. I reveal a standard copywriting formula that can double your conversions and sales. So stay with me till end of this short video in order to discover this secret formula. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos regarding email marketing skills. Let's start our topic. Our topic is the number one email copywriting formula for beginners. In fact, I use this formula on a daily basis to write my emails for my email marketing business. Top digital marketers and email marketers follow this proven formula in order to write their emails on a regular basis. This formula can increase your email marketing sales. So what's the name of this formula? The name of this formula is called AIDA formula. AIDA formula. AIDA. AIDA formula stands for attention, first, interest, desire, and action. Let's explain each one of these four. Attention is related to an attention-grabbing subject line. So write an attention-grabbing subject line in order to attract subscribers' attention in the inbox to stop the scroll and open your email. Interest is inside the body of your email. It can be an interesting information, fact, statistics, news, etc. in order to excite your subscribers to read the desire part and action. The third part is desire. So you write something desirable. It can be the benefits of your product, success stories, and testimonials regarding your product. The fourth part is the action part, and you motivate the subscribers to take a particular action. Can be visit a sales page, watch a video, or download a free book. Let's show you the example of AIDA formula. But before writing your email copy with AIDA formula, you have to gather information about your product. Without information about your product, you cannot write any piece of email copy. Here is what to look for information. Benefits of your product. Second, success stories. 3, unique mechanism of your product. How your product can solve your subscribers' problem uniquely, and which mechanism. So let's show you the example. Here is an email, and the first part is attention, which is related to your subject line. So I have written how to make $100 a day online. It's an attention grabbing subject line. So the next part is the interest part that I already written. Hey, email money is a severe book. The first part should be the first sentences should be short. Otherwise, if it's too long, so it will look tiresome and your subscribers will not read till end. Email money is a severe book. It teaches you how to start a profitable online business using just your email address. The book reveals 7 proven ways to avoid not only the promo box in Gmail but also the spam filter as well. So land your email in the inbox safely. It's a piece of information regarding the product, email money. Let's show you the desire part and an action part. It's the desire part, so you write something desirable in order to motivate them to take action, or want the product, or purchase the product, or go to the sales page. So here is the desire part. If you want to double or triple your email marketing sales, send your email in the inbox directly. Don't forget to get this book right now. I read it again. If you want to double or triple your email marketing sales and send your email in the inbox directly, don't forget to this book right now. It was the desire part. Let's explain the action part. Uh, Go here to put your email address and download this free book. Because the book is free, I motivate them here in order to download it by going here. Let's show you the next example of the formula for email copywriting. Here is the subject line, attention. Attention is related to the subject line, as I told you. Interest, here is the interest part. Hey, do you know that 60% of Americans are obese? Because it's also an attention grabbing sentences, you can include it in your subject line here. Here is the good news. Dr. Smith from Harvard University revealed a secret weight loss solution that turns your overweight body into a new slimmer shape quickly. It's a piece of information regarding a weight loss solution, so I included some power words here like solution, like slimmer, like quickly. These are all power words. We call it power words in copywriting. So what's the rest? His findings already helped 1,000 obese individuals to achieve a model-like body. So it was the interest part. It was an interesting information regarding Dr. Smith's new weight loss solution. Let's show you the desire and the action part. It's the desire part. So you want something desirable in order to motivate them. So what is the desire here? Now you can get rid of your belly fat permanently and maintain a slim body for the rest of your life. I think today you are just one step away from this life transformation solution. So it was the desire part, and I motivated them because this solution helped them to get rid of their belly fat permanently and become slim as well. This is the action part. Dr. Smith has put this fat killing solution on 70% discount to let overweight individuals enjoy achieving a healthy weight fast. So click here to get your fat burning solution. So I motivated them in the action part because the solution is on 60% discount, so they can click here to get their fat burning solution right now. I hope you understand the AIDA formula. Practice it with yourself, and if you have any question, write your question in the comment below. I will answer it according to your needs and wants. And don't forget to download my free book, Email Money. It teaches you how to start a profitable email marketing business online and how to avoid spam box and promo box at the same time. So thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos regarding email marketing skills. Bye.